What's up? In this video, we're going to be reviewing and assembling this gymnastics bar for kids, and I'm even going to try it out myself to see how it holds up. I don't know. Do we trust this thing?
Yes.
I'm like $1.80. So my daughter's into gymnastics, and we needed some equipment for her to practice on, and this is the one that we went with. There's lots on the market. I'm going to put a link in the description below for this one and other ones that I think are good quality. Anyway, we're going to get this out of the box. There's the instructions there. We'll get it assembled for you step by step, and my daughter's going to put this to the test, and so am I at the end of this video, so stay with me. Okay, we need like a scissors. Okay. Everything seems to be packaged really well. No issues, damage.
Dad, let's check if you have all of them.
Okay, so we've got this. We've got this.
Okay.
We got this big piece. This big piece.
I think we got everything.
2 of these. And 1 of these. Over here.
No, 2 of these. See? 1, 2.
Yeah, you're right. Those are the same. Over here, we've got various other items. I think we're ready. So we'll take this piece. Are these 2 the same?
Yeah.
Okay. You want to help open it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Go ahead and pull it. Good. And that folds. And then it says take 1 of these, right?
Mm-hmm.
Lift it up just a little bit, and I think we turn that on, or screw it on, right? Mm-hmm. All right, that's screwed on tight, and then that just stays like that. Will you hold it so it doesn't fall over? No, it will fall over. Mm-hmm. Next. And we will screw it in right there with this one. And we're gonna turn it around the opposite way, because the hole needs to come to the outside. There we go. And then, oops, we need the base first. Put it on. Now don't lift it up for me just a little bit so I can get the right angle. Okay, that is on. Now that can pretty much stand up straight, but you still want to be careful, right? And then we take the other knob, hold it so it doesn't fall. So now we take this one, and watch this, guys. Make sure that is pointed out, and this one is also pointed out. Guys, can you see? Can you help me here? We're gonna put this in there. Okay, and then this one will go right here.
Okay, now that can pretty much.
And the holes need to align.
Now that can stay up.
That's right.
Can you please give me one of those?
You can go start.
Start what?
Getting these started.
Getting what started?
There's 2 over there. You can do them by hand. Sure. Come here. Good job. You want to put that in there?
Just have the tool.
And then tighten it toward you. Don't let it slip. Go ahead and do that one while you're waiting for the tool. Good work. What a team effort. Okay.
There.
Good job.
I'm gonna do that.
Go ahead. Here you go.
Yeah, because then it's not fair. I do 2 and you do 1.
Good. Keep going. By hand. Up. And those holes need to go to the outside.
Okay.
Good.
That's your sword. And I know know the next step. Dad, I know the next step.
I want mine to be a little down so I can get my hips up to it.
Like that? Is that good?
No, I just want it a bit more smaller.
Taller?
Shorter.
Oh. Dad, she wants it a little bit shorter.
Okay. Well, right now we're just getting it set up. Okay.
Oh, it's a little bit crooked. This one's higher.
No, it's not. All right, what's next? I'll
By a
take
little
that.
bit. By a little bit.
The bar.
It is by a little bit.
Okay. So that goes there.
Sabotage.
And that goes
Alright, that's really good.
there. Okay, and then let's get some
What are you talking
another screw. Here you go, bud. Hey, hey,
I want to put on a screw.
go ahead.
Can I please have the tool for a screw?
Do it by hand first.
I need a tool. Where did it go?
Do it by hand first.
Nah. No. Okay.
Get it in there first before you start to turn it. It's crooked. There you go.
And you could say sabotage.
Good. No, this thing. Look. Pull that up. Good. Well, don't pinch your fingers now. Okay. And then we can, I think, lift the whole thing up like this.
Wait.
Whoa. Okay.
That was
worked.
really loud.
That was. But let's see how it looks right here, shall we?
Mm-hmm.
Do we like that?
Mm-hmm.
I think that looks pretty cool.
Okay. Now I'm going to ask Marlon if he wants the jangling bars.
And then we can lower these, of course. All right, let's get the handlebars and the straps out. There's 2 of them. You got to thread them yourself. Pretty simple and straightforward process. And you can adjust how you want those.
The straps.
Okay.
Here you go.
Thank you. My amazing assistants.
You look like little devil bars.
Yeah, they kind of do.
Kuromi.
Okay. Okay, you want to try it out?
Sure.
There you go. How's that? Okay, what else? Whoa. Whoa, girl. That hurt?
No.
I don't know. Do we trust this thing?
Yes.
I'm like $1.80.
You're gonna break it.
You think?
Probably.
I'm not good at gymnastics. Do you see it moving?
No.
No.
No? Well. Whew.
Yeah, I don't see it moving.
Does it look okay?
Yeah, you look good.
Okay.
Want me to stop recording?
Whatever you want. I don't think I should swing very hard. All right, so I'm not 19 anymore. Long story short here, this is a very sturdy, good purchase. Kids love it. It's strong enough to hold me, the adult, and we'll stop the video there. Hopefully this helps you make a good purchasing decision. Thanks for being with me today. Cheers. Look, come over here.